In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WP Engine from your website URL for the year 2025. This process is crucial if you're aiming for a clean professional web address without the additional WP Engine branding. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. First, navigate to the WP Engine dashboard and start by adding your custom domain. Look for the Add Your Custom Domain option. Once you've done this, you'll need to log into your WP Engine account at my.wpengine.com. After logging in, head over to your site's settings by selecting Go to Sites, choosing your specific site, and then clicking on Domains. This path will guide you to where all domain configurations occur. Next, you're going to add your domain. Find the option to Add Domain and click on it. Here, you'll enter your actual domain name, for example, mywebsite.com, and proceed by clicking Next to verify this domain. The verification process ensures that things are in order before moving on. The subsequent step involves updating your DNS settings with your domain provider, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Navigate to your domain provider and ensure that your A record is edited. This A record should point to your WP Engine IP address, which can be found under Domains and then DNS info within WP Engine. After you've updated your A record to point to the correct IP, save the changes. Now return to your WP Engine settings for another crucial step: setting your primary domain. Go back to the WP Engine dashboard and select Domains. Look for your domain and then click the three dots beside it. An option for Set as Primary will appear, allowing you to establish it as the main domain. Following this, it's time to update your WordPress URL settings to reflect these changes. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Settings and select General. Here, you'll need to change both the WordPress address, URL, and the site address to URL to your custom domain, such as https mywebsite.com. Once both addresses are correctly set, don't forget to click Save Changes. Finally, clear the cache to ensure that all the updates and settings revisions take effect immediately. Go into your WP Engine dashboard once more, find Performance, and then choose Clear Cache. This will ensure that any stored data is refreshed, reflecting your domain changes across your website. And there you have it. By following these steps thoroughly, you can successfully remove WP Engine from your website URL, presenting a polished and professional